My video is about removing the browser notifications that are associated with the website Dating-roo2.site. Dating-roo2.site is a deceptive website that may periodically attack Google, Chrome and other browsers. This particular site tries to mislead people and to make them click on the Allow button, supposedly to help people watch some video. However, it's a mistake to do that. It's a mistake to click on Allow because if you do that, the browser would be hijacked and infected. You'll start receiving a lot of advertisements that would be displayed in the right part of the screen. These ads can be multiple and extremely filthy. So, if you have clicked on Allow, it was surely a mistake that needs to be urgently fixed. Access the menu, go to Settings, select Privacy and Security option in the left part of the menu window. So let's wait until that gets loaded. In the settings, once again, you need to select Privacy and Security option in the left part of the Google Chrome window. Then scroll down until you find Site Settings. Scroll down once again until you find the option called Notifications. So in the Site Settings, you need to select Notifications and then carefully research all the websites that are allowed to send notifications. If you find this junk site, click on this button, and now you need to remove this junk site from the list. Finally, I recommend that you additionally research your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the website combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the software, and begin thoroughly researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.